I'm going to show you how to properly open and close a jump ring in this video. A jump ring is a small metal ring used to connect components, like attach a clasp, chain, or charm onto your design. I'm using SilverSilk jump rings to demonstrate the technique. They're strong, well-made, and the perfect size to work with. To open a jump ring, grip one side with chain nose pliers and the other side with a second pair of chain nose pliers. Instead of pulling the ring apart sideways, you want to twist it open. So, one hand moves forward and the other back. This keeps the ring shape intact. To close it, reverse that motion, twisting it back together slowly. You'll feel the ends click into place when it's lined up correctly. If needed, you can gently wiggle the ends past one another once or twice to tension set it closed. A properly closed jump ring should always be aligned with no visible gap. That helps your jewelry stay secure and look professional. You can shop for these jump rings on silversilkonline.com. Thanks for watching.